Welcome, my people. Welcome to another phase of the program for the day. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not. A Biafran sang or released a new music titled Biafra Remains My Country. Wow. So in his music, I will say it is a summary of the cause for Biafra freedom. Just like everything Biafra freedom is all about, everything that Biafra freedom stands for. Likewise, the minority groups that are oppressed contemporarily in Nigeria. So the music is very interesting. Watch it, like it, share it, support him in his music career. Take a look at the video yourself.
Bless. Oli sabi ki find a trouble. IPOB. Ala Biafra piawoko. IPOB. Ono my men na chaze bla. IPOB. Biafra remains my country. IPOB. 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 Ndibo no na Jakarta cho. IPOB. Ndibo ebe nilega. IPOB. Oli sazano awako. IPOB. Nyese Biafra Amara. IPOB. Indigenous people I nacho. IPOB. Nnamdi Kanu Biawife. IPOB. Boy, we've been swimming in the mud. If we no talk, we go suffer till thy kingdom come. Many soldiers way from east, Ghana north, they are lost. I am where a choice. Mention money, guy, fair abroad. Oh, if I know we were checkpoint, Ebenile, Kawanyi Banu be your Funa Mayara Hessman, and Kiakazi Wola Rice. Who's rolling this dice? Get chef for Biafra while waiting for coming of Christ. Let the truth be told, I cannot be sold. Chukuna, zem the road. Nigeria will crook, Gary with no soup. May we never lose. Olisa talk and do. Ego mens then they lose. Olisa big find a trouble. IPOB. Ala Biafra piawoko. IPOB. Ono my men na chaze bla. IPOB. Biafra remains my country. IPOB. 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 IPOB, IPOB, Ndibo no na Jakarta cho. IPOB, Ndibo ebe nilega. IPOB, Oli sazano awako. IPOB, Nyeze Biafra.